Lesson 8. Cooking verbs. Vocabularies. Chop.
Chop.
Sprinkle.
Sprinkle.
Boil.
Boil.
Peel.
Peel.
Spread.
Spread.
Taste.
Taste.
Fry.
Fry.
Pour.
Pour.
Bake.
Bake.
Slice.
Slice.
Sentence structure 1. What can she do?
She can chop.
What can she do?
She can sprinkle.
What can she do?
She can boil. What can she do?
She can peel.
What can she do?
She can spread.
What can she do?
She can taste. Short story. This is my uncle. He has a car. This is his dining room. It is very tidy. Sentence structure 2. Look at me. I can fry.
Look at me. I can pour.
Look at me. I can bake.
Look at me. I can slice.
Look at me. I can chop.
Look at me. I can sprinkle.
Dialogue. Who is he?
He is Argentinian.
Where is he from?
He is from Argentina.
What does he do?
He is a painter.